If I carry tray, bring tray. Guys, look at what my son cooked this night. Ah, mano. Oh, this one is oil beside that, but it's delicious. Give me this thing. Give me a tray so I will put all this plate and share. Bring this bath. Aka, come and give me this plate. Let me. Wow, food is coming. This one is happy. Foodie. Oh no, check where you move. Tears of joy is flowing on. It's flowing in my life. Shut up, so I no put dirty here. Okay. Oh, we cooked late, so. If I maybe you can get. I'll give you the plate. If I bowa. Hey, mommy, I'm going. Maybe manage. We're then if I get open. Glass. On a white glass. Jesus, use it. Now all the plantain you cook. Okacha ben, I am here. Okacha ben. Mommy, I got wufu. Auntie ki ezinka. Oh yeah, carry spoon, put, go and give your auntie inside. Taking a really plantain porridge. This one, carry it inside, go and give her. Tell me something. There is a auntie, I am going. So this one, we'll eat it tomorrow. Carry this inside. Let me from here carry one. Okay. From these two, collect one. These two. Look at our cooker. This is the person that cooked it. My nigga, my odagu, metete, odagu. Oh my God.